Hello. Hello. Shwmai. Croeso I stream, os di rhywun yn y stream. Stream. That sounds better. Be sy'n ideal am streamio game dros multiple episodes ydy mae pobl yn jumpio mewn yn wybod beth ffwc sy'n ymlaen. Helo, Emrys Hobo a Stream Elements. Gweithio ydych chi'n cadw ni. In the last episode, nes I kick a tîn Vulcan Raven efo fy tank a fi fy grenades, a chaff grenades. As you do. So, be na I di, os fydd rhywun yn y chat, na I read mission logs. Hyn sy'n handi fy game yma, oedd yn gallu cyfeirio. So, os ti di fod yn chwarae game dod yn ôl, that's goffa chdi. So, dwi am wneud dramatic reading o'r mission log. Snake must try to rescue the Metal Gear Chief Engineer Dr. Hal Emmerich, to find out how to stop the nuclear launch. With the help of Merrill, Snake gets through the tank hangar to the valley. However, Foxhound member Vulcan Raven, his M1 tank, were waiting for him, dodging the attack of the tank cannon, destroying the tank. Snake succeeds in infiltrating the nuclear warhead storage building. He heads to the second floor basement where Dr. Emmerich is trapped. Yeah, so basically she kick a tîn Vulcan Raven, fel ti'n gorau wneud yn y stori. Cyn hynna, obviously dyn gyd yn gwybod, dyn ni ar yr ynys yma I achub 2 person, a nath nhw farw yn yr awr gynta, boi Arms Tech, a boi arall, dwi'n cofio. Yeah, so yeah, so mae na beth yw'n dweud o. Ia, mae Campbell sy'n mission leader ni. Helo, yn chwarae, chi iawn? Diolch am dangos y stream I pobl eraill. Ia, so mae Campbell, mae Darpa Chief, na fo, bach yn stuck o'na. So, ia, so Darpa Chief di marw, a llall di marw, llaw, dwi'n fel Onslaught di chopio off, da ni di gael Ninja, da ni di gael Hogan sy'n perthyn i'r Colonel, da ni di cwffio tank, so, fucking, it gets, yeah, thing digon yn neud yma. So, tan ar ni. Pa pips yw. Dwi wedi chwarae efo'r settings chydig bach o tydwytha. So dwi'n gweithio neith yr ghosting ddim efo stuff fyny. Ti wedi cael fiddle? Ia, fiddlo. Dwi wedi bod yn fiddlo ar retrac. Ie, ond ar ei... Do, so beth dwi wedi gwneud ydy... Wws, fyna. So beth dwi wedi gwneud ydy...
Be careful. You absolutely must not use weapons in that area.
I've already programmed the nanomachine so that he won't be...
Nanomachines.
What? What are you talking about?
Have you forgotten? That's where they keep the nuclear warheads. Can't you see them?
Yeah, there's lots of boxes piled up here, but are they all warheads?
Yes, they're all dismantled warheads.
They just leave them here? It's like President Baker said. Totally careless.
They're working on a limited budget. They try to put on a pretty face for the media, but this is the grim reality of it. Nastasha knows lots more about it than I do. Her frequency is 141.52.
All warheads in those boxes.
14152.
Removed, so there's no fear of them exploding. But if the warheads are broken, they might leak plutonium, and that would be a serious problem.
Snake, never use your weapon on that floor.
Be dwi'n mynd allan di? Mae hyn gyd efo weapons, so sut maen nhw'n cael? Sut maen nhw'n cael saethu fi? Dwi'n mynd cael saethu nhw. Just a box. Just a box. Ah! Woo!
What's wrong?
Iawn.
Snake!
Dwi di... Is I fewn o'r un yn cychwyn yr episod dwytha fyd, so... Dwi'n cael yr un kill allan o ffordd. Si'n fler o fanna. Dwi'n cyfaddu si'n fler o fanna. Dwi'n gwybod ych chi yma I watchad... serious gameplay. Actually. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Iawn. So dwi'n gwybod for a fact dwi fod I mynd I... Oh my god. Dwi fod I mynd I basement 2 am. Cos dwi'n chwarae hwn o blaen, dwi'n gwybod na basement 2 am dwi'n actually eisiau mynd I. Dim reid dy hyn yn y box ti I mwyn gallu cael dy... transportio gwmpas. Cofyn iawn. Ie. So... Mae cardboard box gynta ma sgynna fi yn dweud to heliport. So, os dwi yn mynd I cefn y lori yn gwisgo box yma, mae'n mynd I chdi i'r heliport. Oh my god, oh my god. O hwnna'n agos. Squeaky bum hwnna. Weld. Emmerich. Togon. Je chwalde hwnna. Ain't gonna lie, dwi'n lycio bit yma'r game. Mae'n anodd. Fel ydych chi gweld, dwi'n neilio stwff. That's away. Oh.
Snake, watch out. That place is filled with gas. Also, the floor is electrified. First, destroy the high voltage switch. It's the switchboard on the northwest wall.
But how? I can't reach it.
Use a remote-controlled missile.
which dwi 'di pigo fyny yn barod. Be dwi'n joio ydy, mae gynna fi literal un o hein. Pan gan mi just saethu fo y fama. Fel la. So dda. Yn poen am games. Be number Natasha? 14152. Okay. Let's see.
This is Nastasha Romanenko. A pleasure to work with you, Solid Snake.
One of the most underdeveloped character in Metal Gear Solid history.
You can ask me anything about nukes that you want. I am also a military analyst, so I have an extensive knowledge of weapon systems as well. They asked me to participate in this operation as a supervisor from the Nuclear Emergency Search Team. I was happy to accept. We must not allow terrorists to get their hands on nuclear weapons of any kind. I hope I can help you to stop them.
You're a tough lady.
Those terrorists are serious about launching a nuclear weapon? The world cannot stand by idly and allow that to happen, and neither can I. Unfortunately, all I can do from here is provide you with information.
Information.
Hopefully that'll be enough. Another soldier here wouldn't make a difference anyway. It's good to work with you, Nastasha.
Same here, Snake.
Dyma, dwi'n wedi gweld sy'n mae'r gang. Dwi'n siarad efo'r gang.
For the time being, let's trust what Deep Throat told us. Use a remote-controlled missile to destroy the switchboard in the northwest section of the Warhead Storage Building's second-floor basement. Make sure your remote-controlled missile doesn't get shot down by those gun cameras.
Diolch. Master.
Master, does the name Deep Throat mean anything to you?
Deep Throat? What? You mean the guy from Watergate?
No, but he uses the same name. Whoever he is, he's not part of our operation, but he's been giving me advice by codec.
What?
On top of that, he wasn't using burst transmission. It seems he was transmitting from somewhere on this base.
Somewhere on the base?
Yes.
I have no idea who that could be.
I see.
Once. Ah, nu kommer jag in. Nu är det drone. Oh my god. First try, first try! Fuck, doing gaming experts. Experts games. On. Fuck, so fast as shit. Dark as a ship. To bear. It's about pretty cool a minute. Serious. Pretty cool though. Just cool. Iawn. Dwi'n gwybod beth sydd o'n nesa, so... I pobl sy'n heb di go hwn o blaen, mae bits nesaf ma'n quite iconic. So, grab some popcorn. Fy ddim am chydig o'n. O, illa ddim. Ie? Yeah? Jamming. Ai. Mae hwn yn bits. Dwi'n meddwl, math yma o scene a bits o games sy'n
cut by some type of blade.
Sy'n rhaid hwn yn arwahân I games gwahanol.
It's a ghost.
Oh my god, beth sy'n ddim wneud safio.
What is it, Snake?
Save. What a good place to save.
Snake, have you ever heard the saying, friendly counsel cuts off many foes? It means that a little bit of advice from friends can save you a lot of trouble. You should think about it. If you're in trouble or if you need some information about something, please contact Colonel Campbell or someone else, okay?
Diolch.
The ninja.
The ninja!
What? That stealth camouflage. It's him. It must be.
Snake, Emmerich's in danger. Hurry and go after him.
Lots of help. Oh no, lots of help. The bastard.
People who have been through war and survived develop a kind of sixth sense to warn them of danger. Trust your instincts as a soldier, as a gamer.
Trust your instinct as a soldier, as a gamer.
It is just like Baker said. We are facing increasing danger from stored nuclear materials. You see, there are 3 elements necessary in the manufacture of nuclear weapons.
Just seriously,
Nuclear materials, nuclear engineers, and manufacturing technology. All 3 of them can easily be acquired by either legal or illegal means. If you have enough money...
Dwi'n technically nuclear engineer. Na'r gradd fi. Ond dwi'n gwybod sy'n ei bam dda. Yndi. Gamer. Trust your instinct as a gamer and as a soldier. Fi ar un peth fatha, ti'n gweld y ffilm Toys efo Robin Williams? Hynny di basically plot y ffilm yna. Strap yourself in, lads. Strap yourself in. Gamer moment, man. Soldier moment. Nah, dim toy soldiers, toys. Dyma Robin Williams yn chwarae weirdo sy'n rhedeg Toy Factory. Sy'n cael dad o farw.
Stealth camouflage? Who are you?
Where is my friend?
Where is my friend?
What are you talking about? Oh, what next?
Snake.
Snake.
You're that ninja.
I've been waiting for you, Snake.
Who are you?
Neither enemy nor friend. I am back from a world where such words are meaningless.
Fel o dwi'n gwaith Crazy Real Ship.
I've removed all obstacles. Now you and I will battle to the death.
Police nuts. Post a police nuts.
I've waited a long
And a class
time
again.
for this day. Now I want to enjoy the moment.
What's with these guys? It's like one of my Japanese animes.
Like one of my Japanese animes.
From another world
What a line.
to battle with you.
What is it, revenge?
It is nothing so trivial as revenge. A fight to the death with you.
Anime.
Only
Or the
in
pretty
that
much
can my
anime.
soul find respite. I will kill you, or you will kill me. It makes no difference. Fine. He can watch from inside there.
I need that man. Keep your hands off him.
Iawn. Mae o'n cyborg ninja.
Make me feel it.
So-
Make me feel alive again.
So, de. Oh, dwi'n cael...
Defeat me with a weapon like that.
Bastard.
Good. Now we can.
Na, dwi'n mynd i CQC yn Rhan.
It is the basis
I
of all.
CQC ddim yn...
Only a fool
Ddim yn...
to a weapon.
Dwi'n mynd i CQC yn Metal Gear Solid 1. Oherwydd, nath Big Boss... Be? Oh my god! Nah! Nah!
Snake, are you okay? Snake? Snake!
O'n i mor coci. O'n i dda, o, claimers, ie. Dwi'n mynd eisiau CQC. Oherwydd, nath Big Boss portreio fo yn Metal Gear 1 a Metal Gear 2. So, mae o'n gwrthod iwsio CQC tan Metal Gear Solid 4 sy'n cael ei chwarae ar ôl Metal Gear Solid 2. So... Iawn. Is i'n coci fyna. To be? Dwi'n licio'r syniad. Hey, hello, wave jumper. Chi iawn fyna?
Now, make me feel it. Make me feel alive again. Snake, you can't defeat me with a weapon like that.
Oh, did we see... They got dim damage.
Snake, answer me! Snake! Snake!
Iawn, dim claimers. Dim claimers, fi'n disgwyl gwers fi. Give me lots of claymores though. Ydw i'n gorau cwff... Ie, ogan, diolch yn fawr. Ond, o'n i... Dwi wastad yn cofio hwn yn two-parter. Ti'n iwsio weapons round gynta, dwi ti'n hand-to-hand wedyn.
Now, make me feel it. Make me feel alive again.
Oh, ie.
Good. Now we can fight as warriors. And
Oh, yeah.
it is the basis of all combat. Only a fool trusts his life to a weapon.
Amen. Amen. Lúti. Oh, I'm going ages. Wel lawr, dwi'n gwybod cwffio fo. Just dros trwy ffenast, lle. Ys chi'n gweld y ffeit ma? A mae bobl ma'n cael hand-to-hand combat. Dwi'n mynd, mae un boi'n rhedeg i ffwr. A llall eto cicio fo.
That's good, Snake. Hurry up and catch me.
Do, mae gan... Mae hwn yn teimlo well na Clay Fighter. I thought specifically dweud i mi iwsio weapons, mi iwsio stealth. Hyn y cap.
I'm here, Snake.
Woo!
Hurry up and catch me.
I boi eisiau fight to the death. Bydd o'n bach o cachor o'n di. Oedd eisiau fight to the death pan o'n meddwl am di ennill.
Like old times.
Like old times.
I've been waiting for this pain.
Be mae'n golygu fi hynna?
Hurt me more.
Keep in the bedroom. Oh shit, så går han då inte med den nuts. Nah. Really, die moeten maar over bullshit ze maar. Oh well, bring the pain.
I felt that snake. Do you remember me now?
Can't be. You were killed in Zanzibar. What? Not again.
Medicine.
What's happening?
I'm losing myself.
Headache.
Is it over?
Komen de piers naar zijn kind. Os fyswn ni eisiau bod yn murderous android cyborg, fel os yn eisiau edrych fel o.
Grey Fox. Colonel, that ninja is Grey Fox.
Oh my god,
No
Grey
doubt
Fox
about
o
it.
Metal
Ridiculous.
Gear 2 yn y
You
lle
of all
chwarae.
people
Oh
should
my
know
god.
he died in Zanzibar.
No. He should have died, but he didn't.
What?
What?
It happened before I joined Foxhound's medical staff. They were using a soldier for their gene therapy experiments.
I never heard that.
It happened right after you retired. My predecessor, Dr. Clark, was in charge.
Dr. Clark.
Yes. He
Dr.
started
Clark.
the gene therapy project.
And where is he now?
I pob sy'n gwachio wan
He
dechrau
was
yn cofio am
killed in an
Dr Clark
explosion in
pan
his lab 2
ar
years
gyfer
ago.
Metal Gear Solid
So
3.
what about this soldier?
Apparently,
Nog
for their
mental
test
notes.
subject, they decided to use the body of a soldier who was recovered after the fall of Zanzibar.
And that was Grey Fox.
But he was already dead.
Yes. But they revived him. They fitted him with a prototype exoskeleton and kept him drugged for 4 years while they experimented on him like a plaything. Today's genome soldiers were born from those experiments.
That's the sickest thing I ever heard.
They used him to test all sorts of gene therapy techniques.
Naomi, why didn't you tell us about this sooner?
Because it's confidential information.
Is that the only reason?
Naomi, what happened to Grey Fox after that?
The record says he died in the explosion.
I see.
Beth sy'n
But even if that
frustrating
ninja
am
is Grey
streamio
Fox,
hwn ydy,
the question is, why?
dwi wedi chwarae Metal Gear
From what I
Solid
could
lot o
tell,
weithiau,
He didn't know who he was.
so
Are
dwi'n
you
gorau
saying that he's just a
gwachio beth
mindless
dwi'n dweud, beth
robot?
dwi ddim yn dweud.
I'm not sure, but he seems intent on fighting me to the death. We'll meet again. I know it.
So you'll fight
Gameplay
again.
mechanics says I
kill
will
him?
fight him again.
I'd rather not. But maybe that's what he wants.
Ydy Dr Naomi yn cuddiad o beth?
How long are you gonna stay in there?
Huh? Are you one of them?
No, I'm not. I always work alone.
Alone? Are you an otaku too?
Otaku!
Come on, get out.
Can we fynd yn y chat
You
pwy sy'n
can't stay here
otaku?
forever.
Your uniform is different than theirs.
You're the Metal Gear Chief Engineer, Hal Emmerich, right?
You know me?
I heard about you from Meryl.
Oh, so you're here to rescue me.
Sorry, but no. There's something that I've got to do first.
Oh, well, at least you're not one of them.
Huh. Are you hurt?
No.
I'm okay. I just twisted my ankle a little bit trying to get away.
Well, if that's all, it's nothing to worry about. I want to ask you something. I need information about Metal Gear.
Huh? Metal Gear?
Metal Gear?
Yeah. What's Metal Gear really designed for?
It's a mobile TMD. It's designed to shoot down nuclear missiles. Only for defensive purposes, of course.
Fire. I already know that Metal Gear is nothing but a nuclear-equipped walking deathmobile.
Nuclear? What are you talking about?
The terrorists are planning to use Metal Gear to launch a nuclear missile. You telling me you didn't know?
They're gonna put a dismantled warhead into Metal Gear's TMD missile module?
Wrong. From the beginning, the purpose of this exercise was to test Metal Gear's nuclear launch capability using a dummy nuclear warhead. The terrorists are just continuing the work you started.
No, you're wrong.
I heard it directly from your boss, Baker.
No. A nuclear missile on Rex?
So you really didn't know?
No. All the armament was built by a separate department, and the President personally supervised the final assembly of the main unit.
President Baker?
Yeah. I was never told exactly what they armed Rex with. I only know it's equipped with a Vulcan cannon, a laser, and a railgun.
Hmm.
A railgun, you said?
Yeah. It uses magnets to fire bullets at extremely high velocities. The technology was originally developed for the SDI system and later scrapped. We were successful in miniaturizing it in a joint venture between ArmsTech and Rivermore National Labs. The railgun is on Rex's right arm.
Metal Gear's main function is to launch nuclear missiles. You sure you're not forgetting something?
It's true that Metal Gear has a missile module on his back that can carry up to 8 missiles, but are you saying it was originally meant to carry nuclear missiles?
I'm a beetje naïef in dit.
Yeah, but that's not all I think. If Metal Gear fired only standard nuclear missiles, then they should already have all the practical data they need.
No. Could it be? Metal Gear's co-developer, Rivermore National Labs, was working on a new type of nuclear weapon. They were using Nova and NIF laser nuclear fusion testing equipment and supercomputers.
Ging about Nova en NIF, het ding
So
wat
they
er een keer de
developed
kop
a
had
new
aan.
type of nuclear weapon in a VR testing lab, huh?
Yes, but you can't use virtual data on a battlefield. They would need actual launch data. These are some of the supercomputers. If you link these, you can test everything in a virtual environment. But it's all just theoretical.
So this exercise was designed to test the real thing.
What did our president do? If the terrorists launched that thing... Damn.
It's
I'm such a fool. It's all my fault.
Ai, baich ti deg gyd. Dwi'n meddwl dwi'n di sugarcoatio fo.
The truth is, my grandfather was part of the Manhattan Project. He suffered with the guilt for the rest of his life. And my father, he was born on August 6th, 1945.
The day of the Hiroshima bomb. God's got a sense of humor, all right.
3 generations of Emmerich men. We must have the curse of nuclear weapons written into our
Dwi'n meddwl
DNA.
beth sy'n illa bach yn controversial. Swn i'n licio gweld nuclear explosion.
I used to think that I could
Dwi'n
use
intrigued
science to
just
help
gweld unwaith.
mankind. But the
Digon
one that
bell i
wound up
ffwrdd.
getting used was me.
So dwi ddim yn marw, obviously.
Using science
Ac o
to help
radiation.
mankind. It's just in the
Ond,
movies.
yeah. Dwi'n meddwl
That's
cool i
enough
weld.
crying. Pull yourself together.
Obviously,
Where is Metal Gear?
dwi beth eisiau pobl iwsio
Where on
nuclear
this base are
weapons.
they keeping it?
Ond mae gen fi curiosity i weld nuclear weapon gael ei seithi. One of those things. Dwi'n eisiau gael dropin illa.
Rex is in the underground maintenance base,
Where's that?
north of the communications tower, but it's a long way there.
The emergency override system for the detonation code is there too?
Yeah, in the maintenance base control room. You'd better hurry. If they were planning a launch from the start, then their ballistic program is probably finished. And since they haven't called for me in a few hours, they must not need me. In other words, they must be ready to launch.
Oh my
Meryl's got the detonation code override keys. We'll link up with her.
If we can't override the launch, we'll have to destroy Rex. I'll show you the way.
On that leg of yours, you'll just slow me down.
You'll need me if you're gonna destroy Rex.
I don't need you. I just need your brain.
I need your
I
brain.
created Rex. It's my right, my duty to destroy him.
If you get a chance, try to escape. When the coast is clear, I'll contact you by codec.
How am I supposed to escape from an island?
Okay.
So what then?
I want you to hide somewhere and keep me informed. You know this place well, don't you?
Of course I do. And don't worry, I've got this.
Står hon i
The
V?
same stealth technology as the ninja.
Står hon i V?
Foxhound was gonna use them.
Står hon i V?
With this I'll be fine.
Kreativ om
Bad leg
Fox.
Good. But I want Meryl to watch after you too.
Meryl, the engineer's okay.
That's a relief.
I want you to look after him. Where are you now?
Very close.
There she is! Over there!
Oh no! Damn, they've spotted me.
Meryl, what happened?
Something's wrong.
Did you hear something? Wasn't that some kind of music?
What did she look like?
She was wearing the same
Nah.
green uniform as the terrorists.
A disguise?
She had such a cute way of walking. She kind of wiggles her behind.
You were really looking.
Well, she's got a very cute behind.
Way of walking, huh?
1998, cofiwch oge.
If she's disguised as
Different
the enemy,
times,
you'll have to
different
contact
times.
her when she's alone, huh? There's only one place where we can be sure she's by herself.
Where's that?
Don't be so dense.
Women's toilets.
Here, use this security card.
I'm going to the promised land
security
of
level
women's
4.
toilets.
You're not in pain, are you?
Huh?
You feel okay? Nothing bothering you?
What's wrong? Getting all friendly all of a sudden.
No, nothing. I'm glad you're okay.
You're strange.
I'm a little nervous. Everyone else I've saved suddenly dies.
You're bad luck.
Forget it, Doctor.
Call me Otacon.
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 It stands for Otaku Convention. An otaku's a guy like me who likes Japanimation.
Crazy Welsh Sheep, i di ddechrau galw fi'n
Japan was the
Otacon
first country to successfully make
yn
bipedal
gwaith,
robots.
Cymru.
They're still the best in the field of robotics.
And Japanese cartoons played some part in that?
They did. I didn't get into
Police not
science to
stone
make nuclear
game Hideo
weapons.
Kojima. Cyn
That's
Metal
what all
Solid.
scientists say.
I became a scientist because I wanted to make robots like the ones in the Japanese animes. Really,
Japanese
it's true.
animes.
Just sounds like a childish excuse to me.
You're right. We have to take responsibility. Science has always thrived on war. Greatest weapons of mass destruction were created by scientists who wanted to be famous. But that's all over now. I won't take part in murder anymore.
Whatever. All I want from you is information.
Sure. I know everything about this whole base. Ask me anything about Rex or about this place. Also, with this stealth camouflage, I can sneak in and out of the armory and mess hall. If you need ammo or rations, just tell me and I'll bring them to you. I'm on frequency 141.12.
Stor hwnna i fi, ie. Stor hwnna i fi. Ydyn. Little 4, iawn. Night fishing goggles. Sy'n ffrustreitio os gwydd ddim health. It's made me find some holl ffordd yn ôl wan. No.
Who's that?
Ah! O'n i'n meddwl hi oedd Meryl. So, hwn i tywed merched, y fama fydda eisiau mynd i. Mae un o hein. Ah!
What's wrong? Snake! Snake!
So rhywun yn y chat yn cofio sut wedi ffeindio allan pa'n di Meryl. Don't judge me. I think it's in the... Siŵr na hwnna dio. Idio. Solid Snake. The PP Strangler. Beth dwi'n neud y rang yma fa? So rhywun yn y chat yn cofio beth uffar wedi wneud yma. O'n i'n convinced mae un hyn fod i ddal fi. A hi ydi o. O, ideal. Russian. PP Strangler. O, beth yn mynd o?
Don't move. That's the second time I've been able to sneak up on the legendary Solid Snake.
Efo. Perfi Easter egg. So ni wedi mynd fewn i fan eich slo, fysa'n gwisgo trowsus.
Men aren't allowed in here.
I had no idea you were so feminine.
This is no time to try and hit on me, Snake.
Ond cos o'n i mor fast, mae hi dal yn tron ti.
Besides, it's a waste of time. When I joined up, they gave me psychotherapy to destroy my interest in men.
Same smart mouth. You're Meryl, all right. Are you hurt?
Not yet. After all, I was disguised as a genome soldier.
So why'd you change? You'd be a lot better off dressed like one of them.
I got tired of disguising myself.
Amen.
The truth is, the uniform smelled like blood.
What's that mark?
Huh? Oh, this? It's a paint tattoo. It's not real. I was a fan of Foxhound way back, and guys like you and my uncle were in it. None of that gene therapy like there is today. You guys were real heroes.
There are no heroes in war. All the heroes I know are either dead or in prison. One or the other.
But Snake, you're a hero, aren't you?
I'm just a man who's good at what he does. Killing. There's no winning or losing for a mercenary. The only winners in war are the people.
That's right, and you fight for the people.
I've never fought for anyone but myself. I've got no purpose in life, no ultimate goal.
Come on.
It's only when I'm cheating death on the battlefield. The only time I feel truly alive.
Seeing other people die makes you feel alive, huh? You love war and don't want it to stop? Is it the same with all great soldiers throughout history?
Why didn't you contact me?
My codec was broken.
Is that all?
Shouldn't you just be happy we met up like this? How did you recognize me in disguise?
I never forget a lady.
So there's something you like about me, huh?
Yeah, you've got a great butt.
Oh, I see. First it's my eyes, now it's my butt. What's next?
On the battlefield, you never think about what's next.
Huh?
So Snake, how are the negotiations going?
No progress.
So it's all up to you, huh?
Somebody's got to stop them from launching a nuclear missile.
There are two ways. Either we destroy Metal Gear, or...
we override the detonation code. You got the card keys from Baker?
Card keys? You mean this?
Where are the others? There should be 3 keys.
This is all I've got.
Where could the other 2 be?
I have no idea, but they must be somewhere. If
Kom
we
we
can't
gaan
find
naar
them, we'll have no choice but to destroy Metal Gear.
Metal Gear is in an underground maintenance base to the north.
Take me too. I know this place better than you do.
You'll just slow me down. You don't have enough battle experience.
I won't slow you down, I promise.
And what if you do?
Then you can shoot me.
I don't like to waste bullets.
Strangle me then.
Got it. I'll be careful. You know, I don't use makeup the way other women do. I hardly ever look at myself in the mirror. I've always despised that kind of woman. I always dreamed of becoming a soldier. But I was wrong. It wasn't really my dream. My father. He was killed in action when I was younger.
Kom we gaan naar de plot points.
Not really. I thought that if I became a soldier, I could understand him better.
So are you a soldier yet?
I thought I was until today, but now I understand. The truth is, I was just afraid of looking at myself, afraid of having to make my own decisions in life. But I'm not gonna lie to myself anymore. It's time I took a long, hard look at myself. I want to know who I am, what I'm capable of. I want to know why I've lived the way I've lived until now. I want to know.
Take a good look. You won't get another chance for a while. You should wash your face too while you're at it.
Yeah.
This isn't a training exercise. Our lives are riding on this. There are no heroes or heroines. If you lose, you're worm food.
Yeah.
Is that FAMAS functional?
Unfortunately, it's out of ammo.
Where'd you get that Desert Eagle?
I found it in the armory. It's a .50 caliber Action Express. There was a SOCOM pistol too, but I chose this.
Huh. So I got a leftover, huh? Isn't that gun a little big for a girl?
Don't worry, I can handle it.
Come on, use my 45.
Listen, I've used a gun like this since I was 8 years old. I'm more comfortable with it than I am with a bra.
Wauw. Een beetje een gwisgo hynnybryd.
If we're gonna go to the north, we'll have to go through the commander's room on this floor. The overland route is blocked by glaciers. The door to the commander's room is security level 5. This card will open it. It was inside the pocket of the uniform I was wearing.
Looks like he must have been guarding someplace important.
Okay, let's go.
Let's
I
go.
know this place better than you. I'll be point man.
Yep.
Follow me.
It's I pobl sy'n wedi
It's a
chwarae'r
good thing
gem
you
ma.
hooked up with Meryl. You should have seen the Colonel. He doesn't like to let it show because he's the boss, but he was so happy he could barely contain himself.
I'm glad to hear that.
So, classic Metal Gear Solid moment yn y funud. Psycho Mantis. Sorry me.
Talk to you later, Snake.
So, dwi yn prepario ail controller yn barod ar gyfer Psycho Mantis. Dal fi, dwi yn mynd I setio fyny hwn. Na fel import port to Ti'n gwybod fyny? Yo, okay, I'm gonna go later. Yo. So, na ffeit yn dod mlaen yn chydig gwan.
That's strange. There's no guard.
What happened to the music?
I'll keep a lookout. Make sure you're ready, okay?
Make sure you're ready. Gameplay is happening. Wat doe je met die kaal patin, bewamen. In de feestwoog. Diazepam. Mamas. Mas.
What? What is it?
Ik ga er maar een spion nemen met een gorg.
What are you staring at?
Met een gorg.
Come on, Snake. Don't stare at me like that. What are you doing? We've got to get a move on. What? What is it?
Lle mae'r gêm yn cymryd fucking nosedive awesome. Fyny at rwan, da ni wedi bod yn chwarae gritty espionage game. A pethau yn...
My head! Oh, it hurts!
What's wrong?
Don't come here, Snake!
Are you okay? What happened?
I'm fine.
Oh, it's all fine.
Okay. Let's go. Come on, Mr. Foxhound. The commander is waiting.
It was in creepy only the first person view going on. Maybe the first person view one. Oh my god.
What the?
Do you like me? Hold me, Snake.
What's wrong?
Oh, hurry, hurry. Make love to me. Snake, I want you.
Fucking perv.
That?
You don't like girls?
Snake, Meryl's not herself. Don't use your weapon.
It's Psycho Mantis. He's controlling Meryl. That tune is his mind control music.
Don't use your weapon. Try to knock her out.
useless woman. Optic camouflage, huh? I hope that's not your only trick.
You.
You doubt my power? Now, I will show you why I am the most powerful practitioner of psychokinesis and telepathy in the world. No, there's no need for words, Snake. I'm Psychomantis. That's right. This is no trick. It's true power. It's useless, I told you. I can read your every thought. Now, let me read your mind. No, perhaps I should say your past. You are a very methodical man. The type that always kicks his tires before he leaves. And yet you are rather ineffective in battle.
Fuck you.
It seems that you are careful with traps. Still don't believe me? Now I'll read more deeply into your soul.
So, os gynnych chi games
Your memory is completely
ar y memory
clean.
card, y Castlevania o fath Konami, mae o'n siarad am Konami.
You have not said often. You are somewhat reckless. I can read you like an open book. A demonstration is over.
So... Ella ma'n bach yn cheatio, ond... in... Cards affect this fight. Hello? Back. In one. Staple. Color one. Okay, ideal. Part 2. Oh, fucking metal. Mythy, Smithy. Ah. Serious. Us. Square. Square. Circle. Square, voilà.
But I know your weak point. Meryl, stand right where he can see you and blow your brains out.
Ah!
Stop! Meryl! You... No! It cannot be! No!
Wel. Mae'n ffeint o frustrating sy'n edrych. So nes I cheatio.
Colonel, your niece is going to be okay.
Thanks, Snake. I owe you one.
Now that Mantis is beaten, Meryl's brainwashing should wear off, right, Naomi?
Yes. But why did you go so far out of your way to save her? For Campbell's sake, or maybe it's because you like her?
I don't want to see any woman die right in front of me.
Oh, really? Since when did anybody's death bother you so much?
Hey!
Naomi, it's true that Snake has killed a lot of people, but that doesn't mean he doesn't have a heart.
It's okay, Colonel. She's right.
Uncalled for.
So, you used the other... I wasn't able to read the future.
A strong man doesn't need to read the future. He makes his own.
Perhaps so, but I'll read your future. To get to Metal Gear's underground maintenance base, you have to go through that hidden door. There's a hidden door behind the bookcase. The overland route. It's blocked by frozen glaciers. Go past the communication towers and use the tower's walkway.
Why are you telling me this?
I can read people's minds. In my lifetime, I have read the pasts, presents, and futures of thousands upon thousands of men and women.
Oh, gross.
And each mind that I peered into was stuffed with the same single object of obsession. That selfish and atavistic desire to pass on one seed. It was enough to make me sick. Every living thing on this planet exists to mindlessly pass on that DNA.
It's got sex chains.
It's designed that way. And that's why there is war. But you are different. You're the same as us. We have no past, no future. We live in the moment. That's our only purpose. Humans weren't designed to bring each other happiness. From the moment we're thrown into this world, we're fated to bring each other nothing but pain and misery. The first person whose mind I dove into was my father's. I saw nothing but disgust and hatred for me in his heart. My mother died in childbirth, and he despised me for it.
En lot o retconio efo Psycho Mantis. Yeah, and it's Gear Solid 5. Sy'n contradictio lot o stuff sy'n ymlaen efo.
My future disappeared. I lost my past as well. When I came to, The village was engulfed in flames.
Are you saying that you burned your village down to bury your past?
I see that you have suffered the same trauma. We are truly the same, you and I. The world is a more interesting place with people like you in it. I never agreed with the boss's revolution. His dreams of world conquest do not interest me. I just wanted an excuse to kill as many people as I could.
You monster.
Let him talk. He doesn't have much time left.
I've seen through evil. You, Snake, you're just like the boss. No, you're worse. Compared to you, I'm not so bad. I read her mind as well.
Meryl's?
I saw you there. You have a large place in her heart.
A large place?
Yes, a large place. But I do not know if your futures lie together. I have a last request.
What is it?
My mask. Put it back on.
Okay.
Like this, other people's thoughts force their way into my mind. Before I die, I want to be by myself. I want to be left alone in my own world. I'll open the door for you. If you want to find your future, go through that door. This is the first time I've ever used my power to help someone. It's strange.
I'm aware.
It feels kind of nice.
Let's go, Meryl.
Let's go.
I'm sorry.
Meryl?
How could I let Mantis control my mind like that?
If you're gonna doubt yourself, I'll leave you here.
You're right.
Never doubt yourself. Just let it make you stronger. Learn something from it.
You're right. I'm sorry.
Tough love,
I
Anna.
won't do it again. Snake, can I ask you something?
What?
About what Mantis said. I was just wondering.
What? What's the problem now?
Oh, no, nothing. So, tell me, Snake. What's your name? Your real name?
A name means nothing on the battlefield.
How old are you?
Old enough to know what death looks like.
Any family?
No, but I was raised by many people.
Is there anyone you like?
I've never been interested in anyone else's life.
So you are all alone. Just like Mantis said.
Other people just complicate my life. I don't like to get involved.
You're a sad, lonely man.
Come on, let's go.
Ja, het haasje nee. Oh ja, jawel. Plug controller to port 1 lee. This is how the sausage is made. Let me phone mail in and save the game.
The tongues of dying men enforce attention, like deep harmony. Snake, people don't normally lie with their dying breath. I think he was telling the truth. Maybe he Please, Snake, don't give up.
It's a master in it.
Psycho Mantis. What a pathetic man. He was born with all the right tools, but he never knew how to use them.
And that's clear.
You need to make snap decisions. In war, the difference between living and dying is counted in milliseconds.
Thermal goggles work by thermal imaging.
It looks like Meryl's okay. Thanks, Snake.
Fuck off, Neil, mate.
Snake, there's no time left.
Fuck towards
You've
it.
got to hurry up and get to the underground base. You should be able to go north from the commander's room.
Let's go. Bit of ammo came in the guns. So rhywun yn y chat yn cofio beth yw'r trick efo cardboard box ar blade man pisan o fi.
Could there be wolves in there?
Wolf dogs. Half wolf, half husky.
How do you know so much?
I ride dog sleds. I'm a musher.
Sure.
I'll take point. Snake, you follow me. Snake, what's wrong? I thought you were good with dogs.
Iawn. Dwi'n cofio'n iawn de. Dyma, hynna de.
What are you doing?
I'm licio fi hyn. Mae box yma'n yglu o P nhw'n so dwi'n cael.
This place is mine. I'll take point again. Stay back, okay?
But the radar isn't working. And since we can't use the mine detector either...
Leave it to me. So, what do you think? Pretty good, huh?
How did you know where the mines were?
It sounds weird, but when Mantis dove into my mind, I was able to see where the mines were placed. Are you impressed?
Weird.
Well, a little bit.
Only a little?
Meryl!
What is it?
Sim, yeah.
Meryl, get
Sim.
down! Meryl!
Oh. Hate to see that happen.
Snake, leave me and run.
Meryl!
I guess I am a rookie after all.
Don't worry, Meryl. It's me they want.
Even I know that. It's the oldest trick in the book. The sniper's using me for bait to lure you out.
Damn.
Shoot me, Snake.
No!
My gun. I can't reach it by myself.
Don't move!
I promised I wouldn't slow you down. I can still help. I want to help you.
Quiet down. Save your strength.
I was a fool. I wanted to be a soldier. But war is ugly. There's nothing glamorous about it. Snake, please save yourself. Go on living and don't give up on people.
Okay. Bra.
Don't forget me.
Tara. Kunna min dun.
Now get out of here.
Meryl! Damn. Snake, it's a trap. The sniper's trick to lure you out. The sniper's waiting for you to go and help Meryl, so he can pick you off. Don't do it.
Must be Sniper Wolf, Foxhound's best shooter.
Snipers usually work in pairs, but this one's alone, huh?
I know her. She can wait for hours, days, or weeks. It doesn't matter to her. She's just watching and waiting for you to expose yourself.
Maybe
Oh,
so,
yeah.
but Meryl can't hold out that long.
Snake, can you see Wolf from where you are?
There's nowhere to hide between here and the tower. She must be on the second floor of the tower.
If Wolf is in the communications tower, she can see you perfectly. It's the classic sniper's position. At that distance, you won't be able to hit her with a standard weapon either. You'll need a sniper rifle.
Colonel, take it easy. I'm gonna save Meryl, no matter what it takes.
Woman.
Okay. Thanks.
What's wrong, Naomi?
Nothing. I'm just surprised you're willing to sacrifice yourself.
Seriously.
You got the genes of a
Not
soldier,
the
not a
time.
savior.
You trying to say that I'm only interested in saving my own skin?
I wouldn't go that far, but
I don't know what the hell my genes look like, and I don't care. I operate on instinct.
like an animal?
I'm going to save Meryl. I don't need an excuse.
Okay.
And I'm not doing it for someone else either. I'm gonna save Meryl for myself. Colonel, don't worry.
Snake, thanks.
I understand. I'm sorry.
Let's get a sniper gun. thing. Så 100 bits of game. Sin oh my god. And I took a box to cunt. Oh. Oof. Don't mind me, I'm just in my box. I'm just in the padding section of the game. Teleport, sowieso.
Is this all there is to load? To the heliport, huh?
Jongens, ik dan als je de stream kiezen wil shape, want ja, net zitten waar box hebben the thing. No, 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 no. Oh, fuck. Woo. Raar. Ain't gonna lie, my ration's an issue. Oh, my god. Wat zo kan? Niet voor het... Niet voor een codec voor. Codec. Ah, dat ging nog niet.
The basic law of CQB is to
Well,
take your
okay.
enemy out as
CQB.
quickly and efficiently as possible, while maintaining...
Otacon, have you ever seen a sniper rifle anywhere on this base?
A sniper rifle?
Meryl's been shot by an extremely good sniper.
Sniper?
A high-quality sniper rifle is the only way I can fight back.
I saw a PSG-1 in the armory in the second-floor basement of the tank hangar.
The second-floor basement of the tank hangar? I have to go all the way back there?
Well, yeah.
What's wrong with you, Otacon?
Nothing.
Ben wat gonna go in Look, that snake, they have to go all the way back there. Do man Barrett. Give me your rations. So did we to top? We'll cover your own minute. Two, 4, 1. Beetje flare now. You're gonna take over there. serious? Wow. Hwn yn bit o'n i wastad yn casau. Socon suppressor. Yeah. Chi'n cofio fe yma? Wel, os yw'n 3 map I ffwr a 3 map yn ôl, o stwff yn respawnio. So mae'n wastad yn handi I hel rations. Yna, fysa com, ne? Whoa. Beth yw'n ffocin... Dwi ddim amser I falu cachu. stock, jag vet inte. Oh my god. Oh, fuck off, fuck off. Oh, just klarar det.
Snake, are you okay? Snake?
E Sports Quality Metal Gear Solid. Oh, come on. Remember? What the hell? No. Oh, die bastards are all in.
What was that noise?
So, dwi wedi cael y digital camera wan. Dwi'n wedi tynnu lluniau, obviously, ond hefyd ti'n cael ghosts yn efo. Dwi'n yn cofio lle ti'n mynd i o'r ghosts yn efo. Ond mae o'n...
You got a PSG-1. You can use that against Sniper Wolf. Hurry up and save Meryl.
Sneaky, sneaky. Dwi'n mynd fyny at y Fighter Sniper a Call It a Day, dwi'n meddwl. Dwi'n filan, dwi'n iwsio rations fi de. Ain't gonna lie. So mae lot o dŵr yn y gêm yma. Dwi eisiau ond hwn yn reit o cychwyn gêm sy'n na. O, I'm sefyll reit o flaen fi yma. Oes, ie. Y programmers ydy'r ghosts, ie? Dwi'n cofio'n iawn. So, rhaid i cael certain lluniau. Hollol ddim wrtho de. Ah! Ah, dwi'n mwyn cael, dwi wedi... O, hwnna'n eisiau. Angen ffocin angen iwsio fo wan yna. One ration. Oh my god, 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 it was bit in it. Oof.
Whose footprints are these?
Oh, shit, nothing. You ready to die? Fucking email efo'r blinking gun ma. Hei, cyn sy'n chi am? Dwi'n gwybod mae'n ti'n... O, na, neb yn fan'na! What? Oh. Pokemon Mystery Dungeon. Dwi'n gwybod wedi chwarae hwnna, actually. Fuck off, famas. Dwi'n eisiau dy famas. Siwr o fewn so anodd i aimio yn y gem yma. O, cap, ydw i methu neud hyn cos sy'n neb yna. Yeah.
Is this all there is to load?
Might be neither. Yeah. Yeah, GBA, the Pokemon Mystery, it's a
Nuclear
DS.
warhead storage, huh?
Vet inte vad jag har Pokémons. Mae Nuzlocke Challenge yn rhywbeth sy'n cytru Pokemon. So, ar y GBA yma, lle. Yes! Dwi wedi cyrraedd stage yn y game wan lle dwi fatha... Dwi'n ma'n smalio fod yn stealthy. Os dwi'n cofio'n iawn, mae yna health ration. Fyny fa ma? Siwm na stwff. Fan ma hefyd. Dwi'n neud y bit boring a Metal Solid yn ôl o sniper a hell stwff. Whoa. Ah, dwi wedi wastio blinking. Wow. Fuck that. Dwi'n ddim worth the hassle. Not worth the blinking hassle. So, I rhywun sy'n rhaid i chwarae... Fuck off. I rhywun sy'n rhaid i chwarae... Mystery Dungeon. Fatha be mae... Fatha bedio. Just RPG dio efo Pokemon. Ta, di'n game hollol wahanol i Pokemon. Oh, iawn, oce. Hwnnw, mae dall oedd yn randomly generated. Self-pulling, yeah. Ond beth yw'r layout o? Fath RPG di o? Oh my god. Okay, Final Fantasy Tactics. So ti ar grid lle? Ti symud pobl ar grid. Dwi'n joio Final Fantasy Tactics lle? Yn fawr iawn, dwi'n joio. Chos blynyddoedd. Sega Saturn. Be mae Sega Saturn yn dda ar controller PlayStation ond Sega Saturn. Disgrace. Says the man sy'n backtrackio. Ie, mae Final Fantasy Tactics di cael fatha. Mae wastad cael ei ystyried fatha black sheep of the family yndi. As in, os ti'n licio Final Fantasy Tactics, ti'n mynd licio rest of Final Fantasy. Just sort of get. Dwi ar y ffordd i cwffio Sniper Wolf fan. So dwi'n newid nôl y gun. A dwi'n neud y thing na lle ti'n backtrackio i health a crap fel la. So rations di peth mwyaf fi. Dwi wedi neud rhyw 2 awr yn barod, so dwi'n gofyn cyrraedd Sniper Wolf a na I call it am y de. Dwi'n trio neud am ystod 2 hour chunks. Dwi'n meddwl mae o'n well fel la. Having a pee, I am the pea killer. What are you calling me this? Dies a palm if I don't. Yeah, 2 hour segments. Oh, 2 hours 19 ond dwi wedi marw chydig bach. So, dwi'n meddwl bod 2 hours segment yn sweet spot. Fel rhywun sy'n dod nôl i'r gêm ar reit aml, ond dwi'n rhaid i streamio fo, lle. Be sy'n taro fi di gêm ma ddim mor hir a dwi'n cofio gêm ma rhyw massive epic lle oedd o'n massive stress i orffan ond na wedi bod yn reit hamdden o ddweud y gwir a hynna efo fi'n ffwcio stwff fyny. Dwi wedi managio marw'n stupid reit o cychwyn y 2 stream. Ie, yn hollol. So ni heb di fynd yn ôl at y gem ma. A rwy'n y holi fi. O, faint oedd y gymryd i chdi orffen Metal Gear Solid 1? Swn i dyn mis. O, do. Mis, ond... Sbio nôl. Dwi'n ration for days rwan. Ydw i'n gallu C4-io hwn? Oh, look. Na. O'n i weld y gêm ahead of its time. Pa box nath y ci pisar? Box yma. So, dwi wedi bod ffordd yma unwaith Q-Stream, so... Mae gynna fi... box efo piso yna fo. So, nhw ddim brifo fi. Famas. O, mae'n rasio arall hwnna. Dwi'n mwyn os ddylai fi mynd... Ddylai fi cwffio Sniper Wolf rwan.
Snake, you're
Tasty
so
yn isa.
radar.
I know. I can't use it in a narrow space like this, right?
Right. I'm sorry.
No reason to apologize. Even the greatest masterpiece has its flaws.
In China, they say, rashness brings...
Dwi'n safio yma. Dwi'n cael un go o Sniper Wolf. Os dwi'n marw... Dwi'n marw. Marw. If he dies. He dies. Lle mae'r sweet spots? Byth yn cofio lle mae'r... Stag. Mae mynd gael sweet spot, mae o'n... Come on. Ain't gonna lie, they just look. Oh shit, it's gonna pull that all. And on in our boss battles. Ah! Just dwi'n cofio iawn yma fatha hollol sweet spot lle fi di sniper hi heb hi sniper chdi nôl. Yma di? Ah, okay. Gadael saethu. Ah, come on. Oh, some fucking mines yma. Ond i wastad mewn o mines yma. Okay. Oh, some life for all. So we. Ah! So be, un go arall. Un go arall cyn 10 o gloch. Dwi'n meddwl, I can do it. Dwi'n gwybod beth o'n i'n neud y wrong o fanna. Dwi'n mynd i ffwcio fyny ar Rhan life. For. In the villa there. Aye. Doable, hollol doable. Oh, lliffer o ti. Ddim yn y canol. She towards the galley, right? Sniper awesomeness. Wel gan ddech chi wedi gwybod sy'n ni wedi cael hwnna. Ti wedi chwarae Sniper Elite 2 remastered o fi. You should have known. Second go. Dwi'n chuffed. Savio.
Snake, wouldn't now be a good time to save your mission?
Yes.
What's going on?
I'm not sure. I'm getting a bad feeling.
Bad feeling? Something you ate?
No, I'm serious. Like a premonition or something.
I feel like gameplay mechanics is gonna kick in after you run up this place. Okay, 3 hours 58 minutes gameplay.
Snake, it's all up to you.
So fe na I siarad efo pob yn hwnna tan nesa. So, yeah. So, yeah, diolch i pobl jumpio on ar y stream. Dwi di, yeah, 4 awr. Dwi'n gwybod, Sniper Wolf Battle, hanner ffordd? Rhwng treuan a hanner ffordd trwy'r gêm. Yeah, dwi'n cael pes reit dda. Dwi'n mynd yn stupid weithiau, ond Dych o'r ia, fath o'n deitha chdi o'r blaen. Yr unig ffordd mae neud streams fel hyn, hyd oedd efo cynlliad o bobl. Mae reit cool neud nhw, cos sgynna fi ddim, gyda fi gymaint o hen games. Mae gyda fi attention span reit awful. So mae'n neud stream i chwarae fel hyn, yn neud fi chwarae fo. Swn i heb di boddran efo hynna, swn i'n chwarae fo ben yn hyn, so, yeah. Dwi'n falch mae pobl yn jumpio around ac yn gwachio fi'n chwarae Metal Gear Solid fatha expert. Ac a ddim yn marw o gwbl. Ond, ia, pob sy'n y stream, dych yn fawr. Sbi ar y stream, dwi'n producer ffordd yma. Ia, pob mynd i watchad Q streams, pan mae'n streamio Pokemon, Mr Dungeon. Yeah, so, ideal, welwch chi tan nesa. Thai stream a diwedd wsos efo mwy o games cwffio, dwi'n meddwl. So, dwi'n meddwl dwi'n wneud hwn dechrau wsos, games cwffio diwedd wsos, dwi'n meddwl hynna'n good. Good thing i fi wneud. Dwi wedi wneud decision o, dwi ddim am streamio sim racing online, oherwydd dwi'n joio sim racing, ond dwi'n god awful. Nosfori, dwi ddim ar gael nosfori, sori Morgan, dwi yn iwsio government sanctioned trip i fo mam a dad fory. Cos dwi byw ben yn hyn, yn y tŷ fi, dwi'n cael neud y thing sad, lonely person. Dwi'n cael mynd i weld, yna term iddo fo, ond dwi'n cael mynd i weld, dwi'n cael bod yn rhan o teulu arall, sef yma dad fi, so dwi'n meddwl fyddai ar gael fory. Ella fyddai ar gael o ta 8 ymlaen. So, ella fyddai... So, nadwch di wbo. Os ydych chi fatha 7 o'r arfer, dwi'n siŵr fyddai'n gallu jumpio on ta 7:45 neu beth fel la. Anyway, neu gadwch chi wbo, anyway. Yeah, so dyma diwedd y stream. Diolch i pob yn gwylio, a ie, rwch chi'n nesaf. Wyl, tara.